Yo! What's up, everyone? Working on a 2012 Audi S5. The car is in for an enhancement package. I will be washing the car, decontaminating the paint with Iron X, claybar treatment with the nanoskin sponge, one-step polish with carpro essence, protect the paintwork with a paint sealant. As I was walking around the car doing my inspection for any pre-existing damage, such as dings, dents, curb rash, etc., I noticed the exterior of the car was in really great shape with no damage or even bumper taps. So I asked him what year this car was, and he told me he bought it brand new in 2012. I was like, damn, this car is clean for his age. I asked him, was this your first option, or were you looking at different brands? He told me he looked at the BMW X5, Honda CR-V, Infiniti QX56, and just decided to buy the Audi SQ5 after deciding he liked the exterior looks of it more and how it drives and handles after he did the test drive behind the wheel. I want to take this opportunity and thank everyone for checking out the channel. You guys been doing a great job smashing the thumbs up button to show your support. I appreciate that. I've been working hard on learning how to put out better content and videos for you guys to enjoy to watch, whether it's learning how to make a more appealing thumbnail or editing in commentary in the video to help with understanding the visuals a bit better, or learning better cinematics angles to produce a better all-around video production. I will get better and better at this with every single video I put out, so I just need to keep practicing and put in the work. If you guys enjoyed these business operation content videos, show your support by smashing the like button, leave a comment and let me know what subjects you guys are interested in seeing, and thank you for giving me an opportunity to earn a subscriber. If you guys made it to the end, I left a 30-second preview of the next car that I will be working on. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.